Hi again, Vito Scarnecchia, Abitano Real Estate, your realtor in San Jose, California. Today we're talking about the really exciting subject of Proposition 58 and 193. If you understand it a little bit, we're going to do a bit of a deeper dive today. So let's get right into it. Proposition 58 allows you to transfer your tax basis along with your principal residence over to your child, and that's a huge benefit. The reason why is because with Proposition 13, your primary residence only stepped up 2% max per year, depending on a lot of circumstances. Which means if you bought a house in 1980 for about $200,000 and now it's worth $1 million, you're only paying $3,500 or $3,600. If we didn't have Proposition 13 in place, you'd be paying about $7,900 in property tax. If you transfer your title, your principal residence over to your child, you're allowed to, with Proposition 58, transfer the tax basis over as well. So instead of transferring the title over to your child and all of a sudden the county reassesses the value at $1 million and then they have to pay $7,900, the tax basis transfers over. Pretty amazing idea. You can do this today, you can do it at a future time, you can do it within your trust. Proposition 193 allows you to do the same thing, except for with your grandchildren. Pretty easy, pretty simple. What qualifies as a child? Think about it this way. You can have a child, you can also have a stepchild, you can also have an adopted child. Your adopted child qualifies for this as long as you adopted them before they turned 18. And it also works for your son-in-law or daughter-in-law in case your child got married and your child passed on, you can transfer title to your in-law. There you go. So that's it. Now, is this always beneficial? No. I'm giving you this information so you can take it to your tax accountant and to your trust attorney, and you can devise a strategy together, ask more questions, and strategically put these tools that I'm offering you into place so when the time comes, you know how to use it. All right, so that's Proposition 58 and 193. I hope that was helpful. Hope it caused you to ask more questions because that's really what these are about. I'm not a tax advisor, I'm not a lawyer, so make sure you get together with your tax advisor and your trust attorney. And if you don't have one, let me know. I have a couple of them in my pocket, of course. But that's what this is all about, is to get your brain moving along and trying to figure out what strategies I can use, especially if I'm going to invest in other properties. How's that going to help? And there's some other questions that or answers that we can help you with there too. Hope this was helpful. My name is Vito Scarnecchia with Abitano Real Estate, your realtor in San Jose, California. We'll see you out there.